Happy Friday. It is June 5th, my friends, and this is your last math video for the year. So I just want to let you know, today we are going to focus on addition and subtraction with regrouping up until 1,000. Now, we spent a lot of time earlier on in April doing this, and I know that this is just a quick review. So with that said, it says today I can add and subtract with numbers up to 1,000, and you guys got very, very good at this, and I want you to be able to continue those skills for your third grade teachers. Now, just think you've got some addition going on and you've got some subtraction. So we're going to kind of roll through some addition and then we're going to roll through some subtraction today. Now, always, as I've said, for numerous videos when we've been doing addition and subtraction, have your paper, have your writing utensil, whether it is pen or a pencil. And this question says, add up 365 plus 455 and explain all the steps. Well, I'm going to do it with you, just the addition part, but I would love for you to go back and record yourselves explaining all the steps that you saw me doing while I went through how to add 365 plus 455. Now, I know that I always have to start in my ones, and I like to put an arrow there just to kind of get myself situated. And I've got 5 plus 5 gives me 10. In my tens place, I bring up the 1 and circle that to show that I have regrouped. Now I have 1 plus 6 plus 5. But I'm going to make it an easy double fact and move my 1 with my 5 and go 6 plus 6 is 12. Bring up the 1 and circle it in my 100 spot. So then I have 1 plus 3 plus 4. And I'm again going to make it into a double fact with 1 and 3 becoming 4. And 4 plus 4 is 8, giving me an answer of 820. So when you come back to do this on your own or continue this, record yourselves saying, I want to know every single step that Miss Morris did and be able to explain that to not only myself, but to my teachers. I know you can do a great job with it. Then you have some addition word problems to do. Now remember, the steps with word problems, you always read it twice. Circle all the valuable numbers, underline the question, and go back and think to yourself, you know you're adding, what two numbers are you adding, and use the workspace to help you, or a scrap piece of paper. You already have it out from before, so continue to use it. From there, you guys can go on Brain Pop, and remember, it's LME, LIB. LME, LIB will get you in, and that will let you play some games just using simple addition with regrouping for both. And I think it's basically focusing on just ones and tens, which is awesome because you guys are already doing it with higher numbers before. Then go on and play this game. You've played this game before, so this will be a little bit of review, so just hit that green play button. Now we've moved on to subtraction within 1,000, and this one says 781 minus 456, and explain all the steps. And did you do addition to check your answer? Well, I've got my handy dandy notebook. I've got some space, so I'm going to do 781 minus 456. And I know right off the bat, I can't do 1 minus 6 in my ones column. So I'm going to make that 1 and 11, knock on the door, and I've gotten my 10 more. I make the 8 a 7, and it looks like I'm good to go. 11 minus 6 gives me 5. 7 minus 5 gives me 2. And 7 minus 4 gives me 325. Now I put a star next to it because do I really know if that's the correct answer yet? Not really, because I didn't use addition yet to check my answer. So I'm going to take my two bottom numbers, add them up, and see if I come up with 781. 325 plus 456. Starting in my ones column again, 5 and 6 is 11. Regroup the 1 in the tens place. 1 and 2 is 3, plus 5 is 8. 3 and 4 is 7. And it ended up checking out for me. What I'd love for you guys to do is go back and explain all the steps and record yourselves of what you did to make that problem work. Then I don't expect you to do all of these because it's a lot, but if you want a challenge, go for it on this Fun Friday. Just pick about 5 to 8 of them, subtract them, and then use addition to check your work and share with your teachers. Then you can go on to 3-digit subtraction with borrowing mountain gain. You've played this before, so this is just some review. And again, here's some more review with regrouping with subtraction. And remember, it's LMELIB, and it's both the username and the password. And then tell us how you feel today and enjoy your weekend. Keep up the great work, my friends, and have a fabulous week next week doing your packet.